Welcome to reclining yoga. Come into seated pose, hands and knee, palm to the sky. This is winter warm-up flow. As the season becomes colder, allow this practice to gently warm your body and soften your mind. Take a slow breath in and a long, easy breath out. Let the stillness of winter remind you that softness is also strength. Wrap your arms gently and lift your elbows slightly. Feel the back of your shoulders awakening. Let each breath widen the space between your shoulder blades, melting the cold tension winter often brings. Slowly release, switch side. Slowly release, cross your ankle over your opposite thigh and breathe into the space around your hip. With every inhale, emerge warmth traveling. Switch side deep into the muscles that usually tighten in winter. With every exhale, melt a little deeper into softness. Slowly release, extend your arms forward and let your heart fall gently. This pose brings warmth into your chest and upper back. Let gravity stretch you slowly, softly, like a quiet snowfall settling on the ground. Come into Sphinx pose. Press gently into your forearms. Feel warmth spreading through your lower back, bringing life back into the place touched by winter cold. Open your chest. Inhale and exhale. Lie on your back. Let your knees sway side to side, gently massaging your lower back and hips. This soft movement warms the deep layer over your body, creating flow where stiffness used to live. Hug your knees. Let your knee fall to the side and soften completely. Allow your breath to unwind your spine and clear away the heaviness of the season. Come into bridge pose. Lift your hips slowly, feeling warmth rise through your spine. Let the front of your body open gently, inviting energy and softness back into your winter body. Interlace your finger behind your back. Open your chest. Focus on your breath. Slowly release. Closing pose. Shavasana. Take a deep, warm breath in and let it go. Allow your body to become completely still. Let the ground hold your weight. There is nothing left for you to carry. Soften your jaw, soften your shoulder, soften the space behind your heart. Let the whole body melt into a quiet softness. Your body is safe here. Your mind is safe here. You are allowed to rest. Inhale and exhale. Thank yourself for moving gently today. Your body is warmer, softer, and ready for the rest of your winter day. See you.